Table 4, initial launch.
Can I hit this?
No.
No.
Hey, stuck it into the wall.
I can't go down. I would hit that. Repeatedly. Give it a ball. He hit like a lot. What do you mean, Ari? You're going 360. Hey, it can't go down.
It's because you're in the bed. Get out of the bed, bro.
No, right here. I just needed to get close. I just don't think.
Come in. Get close, please. Get close, please.
What the hell? Sorry. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, if we scare them away enough, they'll just not go. And we can, like, force them to bump.
That's one.
There, Fortnite.
She's at 4.
That's 2. What a save.
That's not gonna work. Let it get closer. Let it get closer.
You're 7th grade. He's a little.
There, you're in 6th grade?
He's a little.
That's 3.
You meet 3.
You are not allowed to physically smack it. Everything must be launched. It is launchers versus drones, not baseball bats versus drones.
Come on, Fred.
I can't see it.
Come on, Fred. Just wait for it to come right there.
Too big.
Dude, your dodging is insane. That's 4.
My first reset.
Are you able to just lift off? Do you need it? Hold on.
Wait, all I have to do is
Table
get
4. All you gotta do is 5. First reset.
No, other way.
Oh, they can't shoot because there's people on that side.
Hey, my thing, it doesn't go down right.
Josh, you're ahead of the line.
That's all of those are. Not all of these.
Wait, no, I don't want Brayden has to grab his backpack because he has to go somewhere.
Oh, well, he's gonna take 4 seconds because this thing.
Oh no!
Oh, shit, free ammo.
That's 5. Table 4. Second reset.
Wait.
Go.
Oh, what the fuck?